2025 Floral Landscaping Trends, your essential guide to elegant and timeless flower gardens. A breathtaking flower garden is more than just a beautiful space, it's a sanctuary that infuses your home with peace, joy, and timeless elegance. As we embrace the 2025 flower garden trends, the focus shifts towards a harmonious blend of vibrant blooms, sustainable gardening practices, and focal decor that highlight and enhance the natural beauty of your landscape. This year, the emphasis is on creating a garden that goes beyond mere aesthetics and becomes a thriving ecosystem, benefiting both your senses and the environment. One of the standout trends for 2025 is the use of pollinator-friendly plants that support local wildlife while adding dynamic movement and life to your garden. Think of lush flower beds adorned with bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, all lending their grace and charm to your floral sanctuary. Incorporating a variety of such plants not only boosts biodiversity, but ensures that your garden remains lively and colorful throughout the seasons. Additionally, this year's trends showcase an artistic approach to floral arrangements, encouraging gardeners to experiment with color palettes that are inspired by nature itself. From soft, dreamy pastels and bold jewel tones to the elegance of classic whites, these color schemes bring a sophisticated and inviting allure to contemporary gardens. Layered flower beds and cascading vertical gardens are taking center stage, as they add depth and dimension while offering innovative ways to maximize space, even in smaller gardens. Elegant statement planters become focal points, strategically placed to add a hint of sculpture and structure amidst the lushness of blooms. These elements, combined with smart landscaping techniques, such as curved pathways and mixed height planting, create dynamic visual interest. Water features, too, are being incorporated to add a serene, meditative aspect, inviting relaxation and reflection as you meander through the garden paths. Such thoughtful designs elevate the garden from a mere collection of plants to a true work of natural art. For those looking to create a timeless and stylish floral garden, thoughtful planning and creativity are key. Whether yearning for the romance of an English garden, the simplicity of a Japanese-inspired retreat, or the lively charm of a vibrant cottage-style haven, the inclusion of seasonal blooms coupled with sustainable gardening practices is essential for enduring beauty. These 2025 trends not only enhance aesthetic appeal, but also emphasize the importance of stewardship and harmony with nature. Your garden, imbued with these trends, becomes more than just a visual delight. It transforms into an inspirational and tranquil refuge capable of renewing the spirit daily. So, embrace these forward-thinking ideas and welcome a future where your outdoor space blossoms with charm, character, and effortless elegance. Here lies the daily promise of tranquility and wonder, turning your garden into an ever-blooming source of joy and inspiration.